Hey guys and gals, hey Jim here this morning, and we're gonna call this a my bad video because I was messing up yesterday when I did my upload on my new stash acquirements, the Bandai Star Wars kits. I kept referring to the scales wrong and stuff, so we're gonna go back and apologize for my mistake and everything, and hope I didn't mislead anybody. Thinking that Bandai come up with some new scales, but I kept referring to the 72nd scale kits as 7/20th scale, so I want to apologize for that little mistake in case somebody was misled and thinking that there was a new scale that they came. So, yeah, the kits that I showed yesterday, most of them were 72nd scale, not 7/20th scale. It's kind of, there's a lot of kits, especially when you get into ships and airplanes. There's a lot of 7/20th scale stuff out there, but these Bandai kits, all the ones I showed you as far as the TIE fighters, the X-Wings, the Y-Wing, those are all 72nd scale. So that one's cleared up. Like I said, that's why this is a my bad video. So we got that one. And then I got the Snow Speeder, and I got this here ATST, which I've started on some sub-assembly work. These are 48th scale. I was referring to these as 4/80th scale. So there's a big difference between 48th scale and 4/80th scale in size. So I want to clear this up too. And while we're on the subject of this ATST, I'm doing some sub-assemblies. One thing I did on here, this gun assembly here, all these different types of laser guns and stuff, they don't pivot and everything. And the part that connects them to the main head, outer part of the head, is not really, it's not a styrene, it's more like a vinyl. Some of these kits are molded all on one sprue in a styrene. There's some parts are more like a vinyl plastic where they're pliable, and all that. There's different types all on one sprue. So what I did, that was kind of flexible and all that, and I was afraid that, down the way, even though it's going to be mounted on a display and not being handled and posed, constantly being played with and stuff, I wanted to do something a little stronger. So basically what I did, the little pin that connects all this into the side piece, I went in there, and you can pick it up. I went in, it measured about 50 thousandths, just under a 1/16 of an inch. So what I did is I drilled everything out, assembled everything like it should be. Then I drilled out the connecting points, and I used a piece of 1/16 inch brass tubing. So it's a lot stronger. It's not going to go nowhere if you should happen to be handling it while weathering or whatnot. If for some reason somebody builds when you drop it, that piece was pretty flimsy. So I went in there with a piece of solid brass tubing, and it's only 10 thousandths difference, which 10 thousandths isn't a whole lot. Being a machinist, it's a pretty minimal difference and stuff. So I thought I'd give you a little update on that. So I'm working on that. I'm working on the interior. Even though it's not going to be seen big time, I still want to detail it up and paint it and stuff. And I will do a video on that once I get that all finished up and everything. And what I'll end up doing is leave the roof piece removable and that, so I can pop it off. And if somebody wants to see what the interior looks like, because it does have two pilots, there's a lot of detail on the interior and stuff. And I'm not lighting this because lighting this, you'd have to run wires, and there's no way to run them through the legs and everything, so they would be exposed at some point and distract from the model on the diorama. So this will just be a non-lit kit and everything, but I do plan on doing up the interior and detailing, painting it and stuff like that. So that's that. But yeah, I thought I'd share that little upgrade that I did to make this kit a little bit stronger and everything, And this piece here, This is just connected. It's just the plastic molded part. I didn't go with the tubing all the way through there. So, but it's just basically connecting this whole assembly to the main part of the head with the brass tubing. So, but anyway, I want to apologize for that little mix up in the scales yesterday. I didn't realize till after I posted the video, and I wasn't going to redo the whole video just for that little mistake, but it was all my bad, and hope you guys can accept that and everything, and also we'll be back soon with some more videos and some more updates on what I got going on as far as the build goes and stuff. So till the next time, you guys all take care. Thanks for checking out my videos. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks to all my new subscribers. I noticed my video. I got a comment on the video yesterday. I noticed it helped somebody out. They went and purchased wherever they live out west somewhere. They ended up finding a Y-wing that they've been looking for at Barnes and Nobles in their area too. So, like I says, not all stores are have them in stock, carry them, and all that. And I don't even know if they got them online as far as the entire company, Barnes and Nobles, go. It might be just what they got left in the stores. That's why some stores have Star Wars kits and other ones don't. It might be something that they carried at one time nationwide or worldwide, and they're once their stock is depleted, that's going to be it as far as carrying the Star Wars kits. I was fortunate to find a couple of the hard-to-find kits as far as the AT-AT and the Y-wing in my area, and I grabbed them up right away. So I didn't hesitate to order them and go pick them up and everything. So anyway, it was a nice day yesterday out here in Illinois for a drive in my area. So so that's about it. Till the next time, we'll be talking to you. Thanks for all the comments you guys been leaving me. Thanks for hitting the like button. Thanks to all my new subscribers. And hope everybody's staying safe out there. And, don't be going out and starting no kind of riots or nothing like that. It's okay you want to protest, but when it comes to the violence and the riots and things like that, that's not called for. It's wrong what the police did to the gentleman. And when you see it in that video on the news and stuff, something's got to be done about that. But riots aren't called for. You're not going to get anything accomplished that way. So, till the next time, you guys all take care. It's getting close to summertime. I think they call it meteorological summer. I know I got my DVR set up for the SpaceX launch again. It didn't go off the other day because of weather. They still got a chance of some weather today. It's kind of 50-50 today and stuff, but I'm very interested in seeing that launch. That looks like a pretty cool rocket deal, especially the way they can land the first stage back on Earth in an upright position on a target and hit it dead nuts right on. So we'll be talking to you soon. Take care and have a good one. Bye.